Here's the final part of my 2025 PC build mini video series. And in this part, I will be talking about how much does it cost, and I will also be talking about my thoughts on my newly built PC that I've done in part 2. Now I know part 3 is getting sort of in part 2, as the last part did include the scene where I installed the 4TB hard drive from Westnall Digital. As I approach the final part of this mini video series, I can probably tell that it's taking me like about 8 to 12 hours worth of editing, because I had to edit some bits like removing unnecessary stuff, speeding up some of the footage, doing voiceovers, and it's making me tired out of doing this big video series. Anyways, let's have a talk about how much does it cost, and then I will get on to my thoughts. So that's one, which is the case, the power supply, and the NVMe 512GB SSD. The total cost for all those three is £124.59. And I got it from Amazon, in case if you're wondering. Links to it will be in the description below. And that's two, which is the motherboard, CPU, and the cooler. The total cost for all those three is £233.89. I've also bought these from Amazon as well. And the final batch, which is the NVMe 2TB SSD, that is the game's drive, and the Wi-Fi card. The total cost for those two is £138.98. The graphics card that I've bought from eBay was £100 plus £3.39 postage. And the 4TB hard drive that I've bought from the Westnall Digital website is £85.50. I've also got an offer on that, in case if you're wondering. So altogether, out of all five, I've spent £686.35. That's all rounded to £700. Now somebody suggested me on the Facebook comment to get an RTX graphics card. Well, it's a little bit expensive in my opinion, and I have to be very careful of what I've spent. But what I've done is I've watched the benchmark videos on YouTube for my graphics card, and out of all those games, should be running just fine. Anyways, that's that topic done. Now on to my thoughts. So, what do I think of it? Well, I think it's fantastic. And as I said in the part 2 video, that it's the first time having a computer that has got RGB. Speaking of RGB, I can now obviously control the fans on the case by pressing the LED button on the top of the case. And you can see the fans changed colours. But it's not just RGB, oh no, but for the first time as well, I'm having Bluetooth on my PC, as on my old custom built PC, I haven't got Bluetooth back then, but now I can, as I'll be able to make phone calls. Now if you're wondering about what I'll do with my old custom built PC, well, I'm going to be disassembling the entire thing, and the case will go back to how it was before when it left the factory. I'll also be doing a video of that, so watch this space. And I've also updated the whole specs to match my new PC parts on my card website, as you can see in this bit of footage. And since I have got nothing else to talk about, I'll end this video right there. So thank you all so much for watching this mini video series all about my 2025 PC build. I know it's been a short one, but normal videos will be resuming as I normally would. So if you enjoyed this part, please remember to hit the like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notifications to get notified when I upload new videos onto my channel. So until the next video, bye bye for now.